My name is Parameswaran. I come from Tamil Nadu, Madurai, but I live in Gujarat. I am basically a professor of law in a national university called Gujarat National University, Gandhinagar, which is a very famous, prestigious university. I teach spirituality, religion, morality, values, ethics for law students, law teachers, then for judicial academy, then lawyers, corporates. The basic idea is that the spiritual experience gives us the sense of oneness, the sense of freedom, the sense of harmony. So my attempt is to show that the spiritual experience can help legal systems and governance and the social harmony and the collective growth. Because what even law wants, equality, liberty, fraternity, which our Indian constitution speaks about, is basically a spiritual experience at a very deep level. But we are not able to attain it, or we have attained it to some little extent at a social level, political level, economic level. But at a psychological level and spiritual level, we are yet to attain that. So I teach law on one side and spirituality on another side, the legal reasoning from one side and the spiritual experience which if one has, they can see the sense of oneness coming, the sense of freedom and liberty coming in, the sense of love and the harmony to live together and help each other in our own fulfillment of inner life and outer life. That's all that I teach. I teach academically as values. Then if somebody is interested, I give them prescribed texts to practice. I also help them. So I also do a little bit of psychotherapy work and neuro-linguistic programming work and integrated clinical hypnotherapy work. But these are all intermediate blocks to connect legal reasoning with spiritual values of life. So that's how things are going on, and Himalayas is my favorite place. And this is my 11th time.
11th time in Trigunaran.
Not in Trigunaran, second time.
Okay.
I came in the year 1998.
Okay, now first time in 1998.
With my father and mother.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the same only. So then I visited Kedar, Badri, Gomukh, Gangotri so many times. I visited Mount Kailash and Mansarovar.
Okay.
So I like this place very much. This time we were in Gujarat, Kedarnath for our Diwali for 3 days and 1 day. Okay. And in Trigunaran another 3 days and 3 nights and 1 day.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very happy to see you here and taking important videos.
Yes.
Yeah, do share with me.
Okay, sure, sir.
Thank you.